Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel Cocktails and Mocktails Factory. This is Amit, your host, and today I am going to give you a very big surprise. Yes, today I am going to show you a video which is not prepared by me. There is a guest in my channel and she is directly from Italy, Roma. Her name is Emily. She is a very beautiful, young and talented bartender. So let's see what's there for today.
Good evening, my name is Emily and I'm a bartender. I started this work when I was 16 years old and I come from Italy, Roma, and I'm collaborating with Amit, and now I prepare the strawberry Caipiroska. So I use lime, sugar, strawberries and vodka. So we starting with limes. Okay. We put in a glass some limes, slices. Okay. We put 2 teaspoons of sugar, brown sugar. And we butter. Then we cut strawberries, so 8 pieces. Then we put some ice. Then we put 50 of vodka. Then Then we cut 1 strawberries. Put over there. Okay. So okay. So I'm not professional because I started now to do this. This is strawberry Caipiroska. So I started now to do this job, and thanks for your attention, and have a good day from Italy. Goodbye. See you soon.
Yeah, so I'm back and I hope you all have enjoyed the video. It was really very good and the taste is also very good because it is the Caipiroska with the strawberry flavor. It's a nice one, nice recipe. Thank you very much, Emily. So I'm sure you all have enjoyed today's episode, and there are a lot of twists about to come in my channel in coming near future. So if you want to enjoy those videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and also share it with all your friends. Till then, till my next episode, take care. Bye bye.